This is a sketch-based system for drawing and simulating physics. Let me start with a simple example of a pendulum system. I can start by drawing the ceiling like this, a string, and a ball or a mass. Then I will let the system interpret my drawing. All right, we got the result back. So we can hit the play button to see the pendulum actually swing around. I can experiment with different parameters, like changing the length of the string, either using the slider on the left, or I can go to this automatically generated equation and manipulate the symbol directly. Here, the symbol L is for the string length. I can drag the left to increase the length, or right to decrease the length. So let me pull it back a little bit. I can also change the angle of the initial swing to make it bigger or small. I can also do that by directly manipulating this theta max symbol, making it very small or make it bigger. Other symbols I can change, including the gravity, swim faster when the gravity is higher, or the mass, reduce the mass, also change the size of the ball or increase it to make it bigger. Alright, have fun, thank you.